Good morning, students. In offline class, we will discuss about Belagavi divisions, the history of Belagavi division. So it was ruled by Mauryans, Rashtrakutas, Chalukyas, and Bahmani kingdom. So Belagavi division has a 7 district. So which are the 7 district of Belagavi division? One is Dharwad, Haveri, Gadag, Bagalkote, Uttara Kannada, and another one is Dharwad and Vijayapura are the 7 district of Belagavi division. So in this class I am going to explain about the uniqueness of each district of Belagavi division. The first district is Dharwad. So Dharwad, it is known as the cultural center of Karnataka. It is a land of music, literature and education. Then as we meet name, Dharwad Peda is also well known. Marathi is the official language of Dharwad district. So which is the official language of Dharwad district? Marathi. Marathi is the official language of Dharwad district. Then but due to the forethought of education exports, many Kannada schools were opened here during the early part of the 20th century. Then there are many industries are belong to Dharwad districts. Which are the important industries are belonged in Dharwad district? The one is Borok textile. The one is Borok textile. Borok textile mill. The second one is Murdeshwara ceramic. Murdeshwara ceramic industries has given employment many. So which are the two important industries provided the employment for the Dharwad people? One is Borok textile and second one is Murdeshwara ceramic industries provided the employment opportunity. Then another one is Kundagal. Kundagal, this place is played a pivotal role in the development of Hindustani music. So which place were played a pivotal role in the development of Hindustani music? Kundagal. So which place is played a important role in the pivotal role in the Hindustani music? Kundagal. Then it is the birthplace of Savai Gandharva. So where was Savai Gandharva was born? Savai Gandharva was born in Dharwad district. He achieved a marvelous achievement in the Hindustani music. So these are the uniqueness of Dharwad district. Got it? Dharwad district, it is one of the cultural center of Karnataka. It is a land of literature, music and education. A sweetmeat named Dharwad Peda is well known. Marathi is the official language of the Dharwad. Then for the forethought of education exports, many Kannada schools were opened during the early part of the 20th century. Then many industries were belong to Dharwad group. The important Borok textile mill, Murdeshwara ceramic industries. These two industries provided the employment opportunity for the Dharwad people. And Kundagal, it played a pivotal role in the development of Hindustani music, and it is also the birthplace of the Savai Gandharva. He achieved a marvelous achievement in the Hindustani music. Then I am going to explain about another district of Belagavi division. It is known district. So which is the second district of Belagavi district? There is Haveri district. Haveri district, it is formed in 1997. So when was Haveri district was formed? The Haveri district was formed in 1997. Dharwad district was divided in the form of this district. So which district divided and created the Haveri district? Dharwad. Yes, Dharwad district was divided in the form of this district. This is the land of agriculture. So which is the major occupation of Haveri district? Agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people, and it is also the land of agriculture. 70% of the people of Haveri depend upon the agriculture. So which is the main occupation of the Haveri district? Agriculture. 70% of the people were depend upon their agriculture. Then this district grows the hybrid improvised hybrid seeds in a large scale industries. So Haveri district it is grows for improvised hybrid seeds in a large scale industries. Earlier, more farmers were involved in agriculture using inorganic fertilizer, insecticides and hybrid seeds. Andre ಹಿಂದೆ hybrid seeds ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಮೊದಲು ಹಾವೇರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ they were used in their agriculture inorganic fertilizers and insecticides and hybrid seeds. Now most of them were moving towards organic agriculture and using the traditional seeds here. Got it? So ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ರೈತರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾವೇರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ರೈತರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they were use the organic agriculture and also use the traditional seeds in their agriculture. So there are many historical places are located in Haveri district. So which are the most important historical temples are found in Haveri district? They are, one is Nagareshwara, one is Nagareshwara temple, Nagareshwara temple of Devaragudda, Nagareshwara temple of Devaragudda, and second one is Malteshwara, second one is Maltesh temple, second one is Maltesh temple, Nagareshwara temple of Bankapura, Nagareshwara temple of Bankapura, and Maltesh temple of Devaragudda, Maltesh temple of Devaragudda, and Siddheshwara temple of Chalukya, and Siddheshwara temple of Chalukya period, and Siddheshwara temple of Chalukya period attract the attention of more people. So these are the most important temples are found in Haveri district. So which are the most important temples are found in Haveri district? One is Nagareshwara temple of Bankapura, Maltesh temple of Devaragudda, and Siddheshwara temple of Chalukya period. They were attract and attention the more people. Then another one tourist center were located are found in Haveri district. Which is that most attracted tourist center in Haveri district? That is Rock Garden. That is the Rock Garden. That is the Rock Garden of Gottagodi. That is the Rock Garden of Gottagodi attract the tourist. So here life-size statues ideals are created. Then it has been constructed by employing modern sculpture techniques. It is created by the artist Sola Bakkanavar. So who created the rock garden temple of Gotagodi? It is created by the Sola Bakkanavar was created. So the rock garden of Gotagedi, it attracts the more tourists. Here the life sculpture and ideals are created. It has been constructed by employing the modern sculpture techniques. It is created by the Sola Bakkanavar. Then Haveri is the home of writers and artists. So the important writers were born in Haveri. The important writers born in Haveri are one is Sarvagna, second one is Shishunada Sharifa, second one is Shishunada Sharif, second one is Shishunada Sharif, and third one is Kanakadasa, and third one is Kanakadasa. These are the important writers who belong to Haveri district. Who are the important writers who belong to Haveri district? One is Sarvagna, second one is Shishunada Sharif, and third one is Kanaka Dasa. Then the important industries. So many industries were concentrated in Haveri district. They were provided the employment opportunity for the Haveri people. Which are the important industries were concentrated in Haveri district? The one is the grassing industry. One is grassing industry. Second one is polyfiber industry, and third one is synthetic, and third one is synthetic chemical industry are concentrated in Haveri district. Apart from this, your poultry farm are also there, and the demand for the cold storage are high here. So these are the uniqueness of the Haveri district. That is, Haveri district was formed in 1997. Dharwad district was divided and formed the Haveri district. Here the improvised hybrid seeds are in a large scale. This is the land of agriculture. 70% of the people are dependent on agriculture. In earlier, the farmers are used in their agriculture inorganic fertilizers and hybrid seeds. Now, the most of them are moving towards organic fertilizers and traditional seeds here. Then the important many industries were concentrated here. They provided the employment opportunities. The important industries are grassing and polyfiber and synthetic and chemical industries. And many historical temples are found here. The important historical temples are Nagareshwara temple of Bankapura, Maltesh temple of Devaragunda, and Siddheshwara temple of Chalukya period attract the many peoples. Then another one is the tourist center was attracted the many people here. That is rock garden of Gotagodi. It was created here. The life sculpture and ideals are created. It was created by the employee modern sculpture techniques. It was created by the Sola Bakkanavar. So these are the uniqueness of the Haveri district. So thank you. We are in next class we discuss another in the districts of Belagavi division. Thank you.